on conference calls where everybody knows you as the dean, we always look to you to try to get a sense of the consumer, to try to get a sense of whether the home owner is investing or is the person expensing. These are concepts that are core to you. You've created them. Tell us about them.
Right. Well, what we know that if a homeowner believes that their home is an investment and not an expense, they spend more money in their home. We have seen home equity values more than double since 2011, and you can see that in our sales because people are coming in and doing major projects, be it redoing their kitchens or their bathrooms or building out their basements, creating she sheds or man caves. They feel like their home is an investment. Here's the other thing that's really interesting. As we talk to millennials, we were nervous about whether or not they wanted to own a home.
Right. I remember during the period, there was a period where you were worried about student debt.
Exactly.
Worried about household formation and whether millennials would ever leave the couch.
Exactly. Well, we saw that the largest cohort of first-time home buyers last year were those aged 33. So as they're starting to form their family unit, whatever that is, they're buying a home. But here's the other really cool thing. They've told us through our research, we want to work on our house because we think it's a good investment. So that's music to our ears.
Now, some other things that you've had to do, and I know you were involved with them, is you realize not by thing, which is Amazon, but by project, your professionals, which you own that market now. Professionals wanted e-commerce. How did this come about? Because it was not necessarily beginning initially in your culture.
Well, one of our core values is entrepreneurial spirit, and you might think, how can a company of your size be an entrepreneur? Well, we are constantly looking around corners trying to anticipate customer needs, wants, and desires. And what we're finding is that our professional contractors are actually finding the mobile device to be very helpful to them. They can source inventory by store, they can order and have the order shipped to their job site. That actually is important to them. So one of our major investments is going into what we call the B2B experience, which is taking our existing website and creating an experience that personalizes to you, whomever you are. So if you are an electrical pro, it will personalize to you. If you are a plumbing pro, it will personalize to you. So you see what you need for the job. Of course, you can shop the entire site, but we're going to make it easier for you to get what you need. And down the road, we don't have it yet, but down the road, we will have personalized pricing on that experience. Now that is going to be competitive secret sauce because nobody else will know what we're doing, but that customer and our team.
If I were the Fed, I would want to know what you're doing. You've got a handle on so many things. How often does the Fed check in with you?
Well, it's interesting. The Atlanta Federal Reserve Bank does a really nice job of reaching out to the 6th District to talk to companies and organizations about what they are seeing in their business. It's a regional economic initiative they have underway. So I talk to the Atlanta Fed quite often.
All right, that's good. I feel better about that. Because I feel like that you have a unique view. I want to go back to some of these social issues.
Yeah.
Go back to the idea, it was a couple of, on your website, which can be so good, the notion of teaching people computers, digital.
Yeah.
That was just something initiative you took upon yourself. You didn't go to Stanford and get comp sci.
Yeah.
I know you were involved in that. How did it happen and how's it working?
So there's a war on talent in the United States.
Ooh, I like that.
And there's a war on IT talent for sure. So we went to our stores to say, okay, if you have a capacity for this, a desire to learn, we will teach you how to code. So we have brought these associates into our company and have taught them how to code, and now they're working in our IT organization. Couldn't be more proud of them. It's so exciting. Now we complement those associates from kids that are graduate from Georgia Tech and other technology schools, but it's really cool to create careers at the Home Depot, and this is what we do at this company. We create careers. These aren't jobs, these are careers.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.